Yoyogi Park feels like stepping into a peaceful oasis, right in the middle of Tokyo. I've told you about my deep love for this park, and every time we are nearby, there's no way we are skipping it.
Turn around and show your face, let me see parts of you.
It's unbelievable how big it is, with so many different routes to explore. Tokyo has this unique mix of modern and traditional, busy and quiet, nature and city. I can honestly say we live in one of the coolest cities in the world.